I've got my hair. Gawas na. It feels so light and good and fresh. Diba? So guys. Wala yung puso. Wala sila puso. Wala sila puso. Yeah, puso. Here at SM City, ang daming tao. Oh my God. So food court area, guys. And I don't know if you can hear me, but I know, we're eating. Guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Oh my gosh, I look haggard. Look at my Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I went to SM store and I swatched a lot of, not a lot of, this is from, the colorful one, guys, is from Ever Belena, and the one on top is Careline, and I bought only two because they don't have the color that I wanted. Diba, sweet? So we're strolling. I wanted to go to Watson's, but I don't know if they have the Ever Belena one. So, wow, ang daming tao sa Jollibee. Where are we going? So it's almost, it's 7 o'clock na pala. And I don't know. What? I don't know. Diba? So, yun. Oh my gosh, my face looks so weird here. Diba? I'm excited to try this one. I bought the, guess what? What did I bought? The Ever Belena or the Careline? Showing you the swatches, guys. These are the swatches of the liquid lipstick that I tried there sa SMCPC. So I only bought, like I said, I only bought 2 colors because I could not decide on buying the rest because if you know me, guys, yeah, I've always say it in my vlogs that I'm not a lipstick person, so it would be a waste if I will buy the entire color collection of this liquid lipstick. So most probably I will be just wearing something like this, but I wanted to try the red, the bright red one on the right side. What do you think? Or the purple one? Good morning, friends! So I'm getting ready for a hair and makeup client today. So I already have my setup here. Here are all my makeups, and I also have my light here. Since our house doesn't have very well lit room, yeah, we have room upstairs that has a lot of windows, but it's such a hassle going upstairs there and letting people come upstairs, right? So I just prefer having my setup here in our dining table, guys. So yeah, I'm still waiting. I'm waiting for her, and it's still pretty early though. So yeah, I'm waiting for her. And after this one, I still have some place to go, so I need to hurry. Like I need to spend an hour only on her hair and makeup, not more than an hour. But usually I spend an hour on my hair and makeup, especially if I'm doing not a very complicated hairdo. So if it's something that is simple hairdo and makeup, then it will only take me an hour. But if it's going to be like bongacious na hairdo, guys, that would probably take 1.5 to 2 hours. Yeah, so I'm just chilling here. I haven't eaten anything this morning yet, so yeah, I will eat my first meal like after I did her makeup. So yeah, hopefully I will finish early so that I could be on time on my next appointment or something. So I'll see you later, guys. Bye. This is my beautiful client today. Her, unique kayang name, guys. Grabe. Say hi, girl.
Hello.
Bye. Hey, friends. Good morning. Well, good afternoon. We are here, Burger King, for Baabaa's birthday. Mother. Hi, sweet. Oh, sweet. Dali. Good, sweet. Nindot ka ang light. Diri, diba? Who is mine? Diba? Wala na ihasi sa camera. Going to water. Go back to water. We'll be going to Red Ribbon too. Hey friends, so we are already here at Burger King. No, it's not Burger King. It's Red Ribbon. Yeah. Because we are buying cakes for Baabaa and Xhunn because today is their birthday, guys, and I'm just waiting for mother because she's the one who's paying the cake because, you know, she's a senior citizen and alam niyo naman pag senior citizen, di ba? May discount. So yeah, I'm just waiting for her here and Rook is outside. He's not here. He's looking for cars again. I don't know. He's planning to buy another car, a small one, but I don't know if he is really going to buy one. But he is planning to buy a small car. So we've been to Burger King too because Baabaa said she wanted a Burger King for her birthday. So I'll just check on mother, guys. Bumili din si mother ng empanada.
Ipalit yung empanada, itong tilawan. Yeah. Kita, wala lain ani din.
What about you?
What about you?
Yeah, empanada from Red Ribbon. How does it taste? How does it taste?
Ha? Ang nalawa pa ko kafe lang namin.
Kaya mo?
25 each.
25 each? Masarap siya.
Sarap.
Sarap. Masarap.
Ano eh?
Macarons, guys.
Ha?
Masarap siya, in fairness.
Di ba dito ang supermarket? Dahos pa man ang iparkingan. Pwede lang dito na
Filler! Why you always filler? Happy birthday ni Baabaa and Tanin. Ready, go.
Ano mo yung nalipay?
Happy birthday. Mo, dyan. Mingawaki at Tanin. To you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Faster na, Ron. Birthday to you. Faster. Ting, 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 ting.
Ano dili ay birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mana blow the candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow. Yehey! Baka ulikod ka lang. Kain na.
Diba? Happy birthday ba?
Di man sila magsili because they don't like the sili.
Request ni Baabaa is Burger King, double cheeseburger and Whopper. Grabe ka ba? Yes. Kain na tayo, guys. Kain na. It's eating time.
Tama ng mga loyalist ni Marcos.
Loyalist, royalista mo.
Sa bukana pa lang ng hits, nagkaroon na ng bahagyang bulakan.
A beach ahead. We're going swimming. my face is too much, but this is just a lip gloss from Daiso. And guys, finally, for the longest time ever, I am using eyelashes again. I'm so excited. It's been 2 days since I've used false eyelashes again. Like yesterday, I'm so happy because I have the energy again to apply false lashes. And I also have energy to take a shower. Yeah. Oh, this makes me cry because I miss my eyelashes, guys. It really makes a big difference when you have eyelashes. And if you're like me that doesn't have any lashes, it is really a great or help or big deal for me to have, because it made me look pretty, diba? I don't know. Oh my gosh, my face. No, I think my blush is too much. I don't know. But I feel like this video looks so vivid right now. I don't know why. I just don't know why. So, yon. I am doing a very simple makeup. I don't have any eyeshadow. I just apply bronzer on my eyelids, very little, and lashes para may life naman. Oh, finally, for the longest time, nakapag-ayos din ako ng like this. And although I did not have time still with my hair because tingnan nyo naman, basa pa siya, diba? So, but at least I'm happy because I finally did some false eyelashes. Yeah. Yun lang. See you later, guys, ha?
Friends, may baon ako. You wanna see? Dapat daw eto yung baon pag nakasakay ka sa ni Rocky. Nakasakay ni Rocky. Kain tayo, guys. May baon akong ice cream. Parang matutunaw na.
Paita sa ako drive, ako pa cameraman. What a job!
Manaoy! Malakpak na ka na.
Wow!